These swarm robots are scary, they're clever, and they're already building cars faster than any human. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you'll find out why so many people get my newsletter for free. At Zeekr's cutting-edge 5G factory in China, dozens of these S1 humanoid robots are tackling complex tasks like lifting heavy boxes, handling soft materials, and even precision assembly. Here's what I want you to know. This is what makes these robots different. They use swarm intelligence, which essentially means a decentralized, self-organized network where robots share data and learn from each other in real time to communicate and coordinate seamlessly, making decisions with human-like common sense. Now, for Star Trek fans, think of the Borg. Yeah, they're not just single-task machines anymore, they're a collaborative force. But here's the thing I've got some serious questions about. Are they the future of technical innovation? Or is this the beginning of human replacement? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, where you'll find out why so many people get my newsletter for free.